Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3 of the propfirm challenge. In the previous episode, I said that I would be doing this every week. However, I think that would make too many videos and that it would be better if I release a new video every 2 or 3 weeks about this. So if you remember in the previous episode, we only reviewed week 1 of the challenge. So in this episode, we are going to review week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 5. So in this episode, we're going to review basically a whole month trades, 4 weeks of trades. Last episode, we only reviewed the first week, where I had 1 loss and 5 wins. So guys, now I am going to show you back-to-back consecutive results. I am not going to pick a trade or show you maybe 1 week and then show you a few weeks later a different week. I am showing you back to back the whole process. I started the challenge in drawdown, by the way. So let's get it started. So if you could see up here, actually you could see it's kind of different, the layout of the journal from the previous episode. I've simplified it. I hid some columns. I removed the return in percentage because that's subjective. That changes based on account, based on person, but the R is constant. The R is going to be the same no matter the risk, no matter the money risked, no matter the percentage risked. The R is constant. Okay. So far in 5 weeks, I've taken 26 trades, 16 wins, 8 losses, 2 break-even trades, 67% win rate. I am not hiding another week or skipping a week, okay? I just had a 2-week break without any trades here. That's totally fine. I could take a break. I had no trades. And then I kept going. You can see the dates follow up. And just for the people that might doubt the credibility, I will show the MT5 as well. Okay? So remember the dates. July 11 was the first trade of the challenge. And the last trade I've taken is on August 18, okay? This is the MT5. So I'm going to filter the dates up here. So if you look down here, we start at July 11, like the journal, July 11, up to August 18, okay? So you can pause the video and review trade by trade, compare if the data is legit. Okay? So week 2, what happened? If you can see here, I had an 8-win streak. So week 2, I had 3 wins to start off, a loss, win, LLL. I took a lot of trades this week, but guys, it didn't matter because I was break even. Another demonstration of how it's about quality and not quantity. I took a lot of trades this week. However, I didn't make any money. So it's not about the quantity of trades. Okay? Week 3, I just took 2 trades. Now guys, I'm not gonna sit here and pretend that like I just decided to take a break. Guys, if you've been trading for at least a year, you know that trading in July and August can be tricky. A lot of institutional traders, they have kids or they have the events that they go to in the summer, especially because of the weather. So there's less liquidity and it's usually algos that are running the market. So it can be tricky to trade in the summer because the price action is not that clean and because there's not that much volume as usual. And I was doing better, okay? I had five losses in a row, okay? I should have stopped here. I should have stopped on July 21st because I noticed that the market was looking tricky. But no, I continued. But I only took 2 trades. Both losses, so I was like, no, okay, it's not the right time to trade. I took a break. Bounced back in pretty impressive fashion, okay? After this 2-week break, I had 3 wins, 1 loss. Okay, 3 wins, 1 loss, week 4. That was a good bounce back. Okay, this is the R I made at the end of this week. Okay, week 5, which is this week that just ended. Okay, it's a perfect week. 4 wins, 0 losses. Okay, so I bounced back. I'll show a bit of the trades, but I'm showing you 5 weeks of back-to-back action. Okay, there was one negative week, one break-even week, where zero didn't lose any money, didn't make any money, and there were 3 positive weeks. Okay, your guru picks a trade and shows you a trade. Show me a trader that's going to show you 5 weeks of back-to-back trading data. Okay, I'm waiting. Even the guys that take live trading on YouTube, they wouldn't show the trades they take off live trading. I'm not saying everyone is not legit. I'm saying, why are people not showing this? Why are they picking a trade, showing one trade? I'm showing you 5 weeks of back-to-back trading. Okay? You guys might think that, oh, maybe this is not a lot, I'm not making a lot of money, and that the percentage is low. Let's say this week I made 1.4% on this account. I'm also taking these trades on other accounts. One of those accounts is funded. In reality, this week I made 5%. By industry standards, that's incredible. 5% a month is incredible. This is 5% a week. I don't care about that, by the way, and also I don't want you to think in terms of percentage. Somebody could risk 80% per trade, but it's a $5 account. So what, he made $3 profit? So percentage is subjective. This is the most important one. The R is objective. No matter the percentage, no matter the money risked, this is real. Okay? I can pick a trade, show you I made $1,000 on that trade. What about the 2 trades that take after that there were losses? Why don't I show those 2? Why only show the one that made money? The guy probably lost half of that in the next 2 trades. Showing you back to back, guys. This is important because I want you to take advice from the right people. Okay, that's one of the challenges of trading, is trying to make to separate the right information from the wrong information. That's half the job in trading. Okay, I'm going to show you some of the trades, but guys, I wanted to talk quickly about week 4. Okay, all of this could have been a whole different story, guys. This break-even trade could have been a loss if if I had a gambler's mentality. This is a break-even trade because the trade took too long to play out. I thought it was a good idea. Too long it was taking like 2 days or something, and I just thought that's not how it should go. I exited. Some people would have hope, gambler's mentality, and to say maybe it's going to work out. They'll stay in the trade. By the way, I think it was actually a loss anyway. So I did well to exit. Guys, it was a loss anyway. I was smart to exit at break even. Look, this is the 4-hour time frame. Look at all this action. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. It was too long and too messy. I exited around here. Boom. A lot of people wouldn't, so it could be different for you if you have that gambler's mentality. And then, guys, I had this loss. I lost by 1 pip. Okay? Let me show you before. What I see before I enter the trade. This is the setup on the 1-hour time frame. For me, this is an area of demand or supply, you know? Price will come back. For me, I need a clear trend. It should take me 3 seconds to decide which direction the market is going in. If I can't see the trend in 3 seconds, if I'm taking double guessing or trying to analyze things, it's too long. It's too late already. It should take me actually 1 second to look at it, figure out the trend. I can't figure out the trend. I move on to the next chart, or I just don't take a trade. The trend has to be clear, guys. Okay, direction has to be clear. For me, this is going down. See this break, heavy push down, so it's going down. So I expect price to come back here and go down. Price did that, but it took me out first, a tiny bit, right? Guys, this is how people get angry, and then their next trade would be a loss, not a win, because they would make an angry decision or an emotional decision. So these results, it's not just about technical, okay? It takes some awareness. Like I told you what happened in the break-even trade. This decision was not based on gambling or hope. Trade took too long, I get out, you know? And then this kind of, it could have been a perfect week, right? If I didn't get stopped out by 1 pip. I could have had like 2 weeks without losses. This could have made me angry, but I stayed calm, okay? This was the next trade after that. Okay, CAD JPY, the 1 hour time frame. Big, for me, this is a trend confirmation, a big move up, break everything, closure, whatever you want to call it. People could see here, it could be a stop loss hunt, where people would put their stop loss. That's where I put my entry. So I expect price to come back here before keep going up, eating most people's orders. What happened then? It ate, the market ate, made that told them, oh, maybe now's the right time to go in. No, it's gonna eat some more. It's gonna eat some more. It almost ate me too. Almost ate me too. But then it hit my TP. Ended the week like that, okay? August 11 was a busy week. What day was that? August 11. Friday. Poof, poof. Trading on a Friday, that's tricky, right? The last day of the week. But I don't think about that when I'm trading, right? Outside factors. I don't look at news, by the way. I don't care about news events. It doesn't matter to me. So wow, this is impressive. But again, I don't pay attention to that in the moment. But wow, 4 trades on the Friday. Okay. So the last week, today is Sunday, August 20th. On the 16th, Wednesday, I took 3 trades, all wins. Show you like one of them like here, before. Okay, clear trend. For me, this is my area of interest where price will come. I look at all these rejections, and then where people think they should put their stop loss, that's where I put my entry. I expect price to come, take, eat, and go back down. Price 8, then went down. Look, it came at 8, it went down. People think it's the right time to enter again. 8 again, went down. So I actually almost entered again here, but I was looking at I had enough pending orders, okay? I didn't want too many orders at the same time. Okay? Another break-even trade. Okay, smart. Okay, in the MT5, you'd see here, I lost $4, not really break-even, but I took that out from like here, I made less money just so the zero. I'm not gonna say it's a loss if I lost $4, okay? Here. So I'm showing you complete honesty and telling you, yeah, I'm not gonna say it's a loss. It's $4. But I removed that any profit, so this is accurate. The information here is accurate. Okay. So I'll show you like the break-even trade. This is what I saw before. For me, it's a clear trend down, 4-hour time frame. Price will come eat before continuing. Eat, so it gets even them. That's where they have the institutions. That's where they have their orders, pending orders. They have to go get them before continuing the trend. That's what I saw before. This is after. Okay. It took too long on the 4-hour time frame, and I was looking at GBP on other charts, and it was very bullish. Okay, so these kind of correlations make me indicate that I'll get out. I don't have the hope, or maybe it's still gonna work out. If I have enough reasons to exit or doubt the trade, I exit, okay? Break even. Yeah, okay, I'll exit it here, okay? Barely lost anything, okay? So, and then I think I did well to exit. I think it did continue going up. Let's check it out. Wait, GP trading view. 4-hour time frame. Okay. Well, it didn't go down, so maybe, yeah, actually it did take me out here. Let's see. My stop loss is here. Yeah, if I stayed in the trade, I would have lost. Like, my stop loss is around here. But it's still looking bullish now. It looks like there's a change of structure. Oh, I'm a smart money trader. Oh. Okay, I'll show you the last trade, the win. This is what I saw before. Area of interest. Price is going up. I expected to eat some orders, eat some retailers before continuing the trend. Okay, it came back up. It came back down. Up. Okay, up and down. That's how the market moves. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so guys, it's been pretty good. However, I'm out of drawdown, but I was keeping my risk low just to get out of drawdown safely. Okay, here's how much I made percentage wise per week. So I haven't made much in terms of reaching the target yet because I began in like 2% of drawdown. Okay, I had to get out of that first. So but now it's going to be faster because now I can increase my risk. Okay, so it should be faster, and I will keep documenting. But guys, I have showed you. If people doubt, anyone who thinks trading is fake, you could look at this, showing you 5 weeks of back-to-back results. Here's the win rate. Even if this was demo trading or fake money trading, this is still impressive to show this consistency, okay? Mistakes do happen. I had 5 losses in a row. I should have stopped earlier. Everyone makes mistakes. How do you bounce back? Here's how I bounced back, okay? 2 positive weeks, okay? So this transparency should be very good for you to learn and understand what is the right information from the wrong. And if you have any questions, let me know. And if you find this content helpful, drop a like so I know that I'm not just talking to a monitor. Okay. So thank you so much for your time. I hope I reach the target, and let's see how it goes. Okay.